Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be painting fast-moving water in acrylics. Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy. We teach the world to paint. Subscribe to this channel for more helpful acrylic painting content. Hit the bell icon when subscribing to be notified of our upcoming videos. For this technique, we'll be using a 1/2-inch flat brush, a small round brush, and an even smaller round brush or detail brush. You'll also need primary blue, white, and black paint. Let's get started. The first step is to paint the entire canvas with primary blue using the 1/2-inch flat brush. Avoid fussing over perfection here. This will serve as the toning layer. Use the 1/2-inch flat brush as you like to do this step. A bigger brush will make things quicker for you. Take as much time as you need and enjoy getting the first layer of paint onto the canvas using side-to-side brush strokes. Even out the paint to your liking and then let it dry. Once that's dry, let's move on to the next step. We'll be using the 1/2-inch flat brush and dark blue paint. Mix some blue with black to create dark blue paint. This will serve as the low light color for this painting. The second step is to paint horizontal wavy lines in the deepest blue using a flat brush. Observe our technique here and follow along. You want the lines to be evenly spaced and like they move horizontally across the canvas. Don't worry about perfecting them, we'll blend them in the next step. Continue painting these lines and stop when you feel like you have enough. For the next step, we'll be using the same technique with primary blue paint. Paint the horizontal wavy lines above the deepest blue lines, blending the two colors together where they meet. Don't cover your previous work, paint with primary blue in between the darker wavy lines. Awesome! As the first layer is dry, let's fortify any thinly painted areas. You'll be using primary blue and dark blue for this, and it's okay to switch back and forth and blend as you go. There's no need to redesign the style, just fortify what you already have painted and enjoy the process of getting paint on the canvas. Simply find the medium blue areas and add more paint to add boldness of color. Do the same thing for the areas of low light. Clean your brush in between as needed. This step assures that the canvas is properly covered and that the color is bold. Great job! Now for the next step, we'll use a small round brush to add highlights to the lighter shades of blue. You can mix light blue by adding plenty of white to a little bit of blue. With the small round brush, add highlights to the tops of the ripples in the lighter shades of blue. This will create the illusion of sunlight reflecting off the moving water. Remember to avoid covering your previous work and to add these light blue pieces to areas you haven't already painted too much. You can add them to partial areas of the primary blue. Use this brush to blend while the paint is still wet. It's okay if you need to switch the shade of blue that you're working with. Just do what feels right. Finally, for the last steps, we'll use a smaller round brush or detailer with very light blue to add yet another layer of highlights on top of the lightest areas on the canvas. This will help the colors pop and help to convey light. As necessary, clean this brush and use varying shades of blue to blend these wavy lines together in a way that looks like swiftly moving water. You may need to switch colors periodically and blend where necessary. These are all okay options. And there you have it, fast-moving water and acrylics. Remember to practice blending the colors together until you're happy with the result. Great job! Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Begin your acrylic painting journey by visiting acrylicartsacademy.com/free guides.